Hi, this is Nojan Moshiri. Welcome to the LineRate Configuration in 1 Minute series. In this edition, we're going to configure your first proxy. I'm going to do this partially on the command line and then partially using the UI. I'm in the LROS box on my desktop and I'm in config mode. The first thing I'm going to do is go into the interface, and I've set up interface EM1. That's the second interface on my virtual machine to act as the listener for this virtual server. I'm going to put in the VIP address. So I've configured that on 192.168.226, and I'm going to use .100. Let's go over to the UI. I've gone to the management address on port 8443. I'm going to log in again with the default credentials. The first thing I'm going to do is create a real server, and this points to another server on my box that's actually hosting Wikipedia. I'm going to call it real server 1, and I'm going to give it an IP address of 192.168.226.132, which is what it's listening at. I'm going to move the admin mode to online. And if you're used to configuring a lot of networking devices, it's very similar to that, but more pared down. I'm going to create a virtual IP, which is going to be associated with the interface that we created before, 192.168.226.100 on port 80. And we'll go ahead and set that to online as well. And now we're going to tie the whole thing together on the virtual server. We'll call virtual server 1. I'm going to have a virtual IP that's already been created and auto-detected. I'm going to use my real server 1. And I'm going to give it a host name. In this case, I haven't configured etc hosts or DNS, so I'm just going to use the VIP host name here. You'll see it builds a nice network map for me up here, shows everything is online. Let's go ahead and open a new tab. And there we are. There's the Wikipedia running on my server. Of course, this is all documented in further detail, but I hope this has been helpful.